Question 1. India has recently approved satellite broadband services from Starlink to extend fast internet across rural and remote regions. A new pact enables Aadhaar-based eKYC for smooth onboarding of users. Which Indian authority partnered with Starlink for this integration? A. UIDAI. B. TRAI. C. ISRO. D. NIC. The correct answer is option A, UIDAI. Question 2. The National Policy for Rare Diseases has recently been updated, introducing new drugs and expanded coverage. Recommendations were made by the CTCRD to define the scope of conditions included. How many rare diseases are currently covered under this policy? A. 50. B. 63. C. 70. D. 77. The correct answer is option B, 63 diseases. Question 3. To promote reading habits among students, Telangana has launched the My Book, My Story campaign. This program has been initiated in collaboration with Room to Read India Trust. This campaign will continue until which International Observance Day? A. World Book and Copyright Day, April 23rd. B. International Literacy Day, September 8th. C. World Environment Day, June 5th. D. Teachers Day, September 5th. The correct answer is option B, International Literacy Day, September 8th. Question 4. On August 20, 2025, India successfully tested a strategic missile system from the ITER Chandipur facility in Orissa. The test validated the 5,000 km class missile's operational parameters. Which missile was test-fired? A. Agni IV. B. Agni V. C. Prithvi 2. D. K-15 Sagarika. The correct answer is option B, Agni V. Question 5. To strengthen weather forecasting and disaster preparedness, India has set up advanced research facilities under Mission Monam. One of these facilities will monitor atmospheric conditions along the eastern coastline. Where will the Coastal Atmospheric Research Test Bed be located? A. Vishakhapatnam. B. Chennai. C. Puri. D. Paradip. The correct answer is option A, Vishakhapatnam. Question 6. The Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill, 2025 was recently introduced in the Lok Sabha. It aims to control betting and gambling and penalizes advertisements that promote online money games. What is the maximum punishment for participating in such advertisements? A. 6 months imprisonment and 5 lakh rupees fine. B. 2 years imprisonment and 50 lakh rupees fine. C. 3 years imprisonment and 1 crore rupees fine. D. 5 years imprisonment and 2 crore rupees fine. The correct answer is option B, 2 years imprisonment and 50 lakh rupees fine. Question 7. To boost innovation and research, Andhra Pradesh launched the Ratan Tata Innovation Hub, along with 5 regional innovation hubs. The launch took place on August 20, 2025, in the presence of state leadership and Tata Sons executives. Where is the main hub located? A. Mayuri Tech Park, Mangalagiri. B. Amravati Secretariat. C. Tirupati Industrial Estate. D. Vizag Fintech Valley. The correct answer is option A, Mayuri Tech Park, Mangalagiri. Question 8. The National Commission for Women, NCW, has constituted its Advisory Committee 2025 to strengthen policy recommendations. The committee consists of 21 members, including experts from industry, academia, and public service. Which sportsperson was appointed as a member? A. P.V. Sindhu. B. Mary Kom. C. Saina Nehwal. D. Hima Das. The correct answer is option A, P.V. Sindhu. Question 9. The Indian Army launched Samanvay Shakti 2025 feat to improve civil-military coordination in the Northeast. The first phase of the program began at Laipuli on August 20, 2025, followed by another exercise in Manipur. Laipuli is located in which Indian state? A. Assam. B. Manipur. C. Nagaland. D. Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option A, Assam. Question 10. Telangana is pursuing geographical indication (GI) tags for several unique horticultural products. The list includes items like Nalgonda dosa, Siddipet, ginger, and Jagityala mango. Which of the following is not part of Telangana's GI tag pursuit list? A. Nalgonda sweet potato. B. Jagityala mango. C. Siddipet ginger. D. Darjeeling tea. The correct answer is option D, Darjeeling tea.